I'm about to go on a bit of a journey, 365 days of yoga. I started in autumn as the days turned cooler. I'd used yoga occasionally to look after tired muscles after running, and I saw the benefits it gave me. I wanted to integrate it into my everyday routine to develop a strong core and sense of centeredness. To dedicate time to myself every day was testing, especially when I was away from home or had other commitments first thing in the morning. I found that if I left yoga to the end of the day, it hung over my head as a chore. As I gave myself a consistent space to practice, my mind started to slow down. I focused on the movements, the weight distribution, and engaging my whole body for every posture. My wrists and knees got stronger, and I was really noticing the small muscles in my hands and feet. As winter settled in, my form improved. Yoga was warming me physically and instilling me with a sense of calmness. The value I felt for showing up for myself gave me trust in the practice. The pattern of regular exercise was becoming ingrained and shaping the way I experienced each day. I looked forward to enjoying my muscles relax, a feeling of composure, and a lift of mood. Holding the postures was developing my inner strength. As spring advanced, grandchildren, wallabies and blossoming wildflowers enriched the quality of each practice. My mind continued to slow down, giving way to the regular routine, and I'm looking further inwards. Focusing on deep, deliberate breathing into the postures, I continue to rebuild them from the ground up. Accepting the practice time as my own, I am growing more comfortable surrendering to what each day brings. Building confidence in myself by summer, videoing every day has become like meeting a friend for a running date. My commitment to show up for myself has formed a regular pattern that is consistent and adaptable. The Wallabies are visiting more often and I'm enjoying their company. I'm feeling grounded and balanced during the day and managing my mind seems easier. I'm feeling a lot more flexible too and more absorbed in the process of the postures. I'm happy and relaxed to renew my yoga journey into the next year. I'll continue to do what I can for as long as I can and appreciate it.